the dogs.
Yeah.
Stupid dogs. I'm videoing.
Get a baby! Get a baby! Here, video. I want to throw them.
We were feeding the seagulls until these dumbass dogs came up and chased probably 15 of them away.
Yeah.
I'm mad.
See if we can get back.
Here we go. Look at them video. They're crazy.
Yeah.
Where are they going?
I don't know. Throw out some more. They're circling.
Oh, them poor ones in the back, they're not getting any.
Throw them a little farther.
Get him. Get it, little long birdie.
He got it.
Yeah.
Oh man, he's too slow. Oh, he caught that in his mouth.
No, I didn't.
Oh, that poor baby's too slow.
Oh.
He must not like cheese. Oh my gosh, he's catching that crap in his mouth. Oh, you're so slow.
Gosh, that one is so fast.
Get it, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that the one that wanted it?
Gosh, that one is like, yeah.
Yay.
Hold on.
Oh, come here, baby. Dog.
We got 2 minutes of this already.
2 minutes. Oh, look at these ones over here.
Get it. Get it.
I'm not gonna feed them all your Cheetos.
Okay. Cause I gotta eat too, right?
Yeah, but you have a sandwich.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these creeping up behind me.
We had like a little gathering.
Oh man, that one stole it from him. Effing losers.
Oh, get these right here that are just chilling. See them?
Haha, they're crazy.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay,
is that
one more.
enough? Okay, one more.
One more. Woo! Oh, he caught it in his mouth.
Yeah.
Yay! Look at my Cheeto fingers. Do you want to lick them off?
Yeah. Alright, that good? What's up with that one? Look at him. He's like,
They're getting crunk.
yeah.
Oh.
Alright, that's enough.
Peace out.
Peace out.